How to find the dimensional formula of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is given by phi is equal to Ba, where B is magnetic field or magnetic flux density. Unit is Tesla. A is area through which the magnetic field passes. Unit is meter square. Let us start to determine the dimensional formula of magnetic flux. We know that dimension of length is L. Dimension of mass is m. Dimension of time is t. Dimension of current is A or I. All dimensions should write in capital letters only. We know the force acting on a current carrying conductor is force F is equal to BIL. According to Newton's second law of motion, force F is equal to ma, where m is mass and a is acceleration. Here dimensions of acceleration is Lt power minus 2. Therefore ma is equal to Bil. B is equal to ma by Il. Substitute the dimensions in this formula we get. Here the dimension formula for force is mLt power minus 2. Dimension of current is A and dimension length is L. mLt power minus 2 is equal to Bal. B is equal to mLt power minus 2 by Al. Here L in both numerator and denominator get cancelled. Therefore the dimensions of B is equal to mt power minus 2a power minus 1. Dimensional formula for magnetic flux is equal to ml square t power minus 2a power minus 1. Here the dimensions of magnetic flux density is mt power minus 2a power minus 1 and area is L square.
Thanks for watching Pathfinder 6. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.